Hey guys, this is Ashwin from Metaschool, and today we will be learning about how to create your own token on Ethereum in just 30 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. It will just take 30 minutes of your time. Now, what you will be getting to complete this course, right? So you will be getting an amazing NFT for free on your wallet to complete this course, which will act as a proof of completion that you have completed a course on our platform. Isn't that amazing? Now, before getting started, I want to talk about the Ethereum ecosystem first. Let me give you an overview. So there are more than 120 million tokens built on top of Ethereum network with a total locked value of 208 billion US dollars, and it has a market dominance of 25.6%. I think you can understand how huge the Ethereum network is, right? So now let's talk about the top coins. So here comes the USDT. So USDT is a stable coin on the Ethereum blockchain with a market cap of 66 billion USD. It's huge, right? Now comes Shiba Inu. It's a meme coin. It's a community driven meme coin on Ethereum blockchain with a market cap of 4 billion USD. Now we have Uniswap. It's a decentralized exchange. It's a DEX or decentralized exchange coin on the Ethereum blockchain with a market cap of 3 billion USD. So what are we doing today? What is the agenda today? So we will be setting up the account starting from the Metaschool account to help you onboard the platform. Then we will write the code of our ERC20 smart contract. Then we will be launching the ERC20 smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain. Isn't it amazing that you will be creating your own token in the next 30 minutes? I think you all are excited. So let's go. So now I'll quickly show you how to onboard the Metaschool platform, because here we will be doing our token course. So this is a Metaschool platform, metaschool.so. Now we have come to the home page. Now we'll click on start building. Now it will redirect us to a login/sign up page. So just enter your email here. So I'll enter mine. So after you enter your email, click on continue. So now you will receive a OTP on your inbox. If you haven't received it in your inbox, make sure you check your spams. So let's check if we have received ours. So yeah, I received mine. So I'll just enter my OTP. So yeah, that's it. Now I'll click on that's all, submit now. So I've completed the onboarding process. After I complete the onboarding process, I'll be redirected to a page where I'll find a lot of courses, courses ranging from beginner to advanced, which will help you to build your Web3 portfolio by building practical projects. And this is something which will help you to showcase your projects, your dApps in front of your hiring manager. So we have successfully onboarded the Metaschool platform. Now let's start with our course. So let's start with the first lesson of the course, where we will be learning about the introduction to the Ethereum network and what exactly Ethereum is. So what is Ethereum network? So Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that creates a peer-to-peer environment for you to safely deploy your smart contract application code. So that means, yeah, you can deploy your own decentralized application on top of Ethereum. Isn't that amazing? So what makes Ethereum one of the most safest network? So the answer to that question is its validator nodes. So Ethereum has the highest number of validators, making it very hard to plan an attack on this network, because there are lots of validators who are validating every transaction on this network. So it's very hard to plan an attack on this network, right? Now, I don't think this was a boring session, because you all thought that coding would be boring, but when you're Metaschool, the coding is never boring, right? It's always fun. So I think you all are excited. Let's keep that excitement and let's move on to the next lesson, where we will be learning about the course overview and what are the prerequisites to start building on a token on Ethereum network. So let's go. Guys, we are in the second lesson of our course, and this would be exciting because here you will learn about what are the course learnings, like a course overview of what you will learn when you complete this course and what are the prerequisites to start with. Let's come to the course learning first. First, you will learn like how to create a ERC20 token like Shiba Inu, USDT, Uniswap, Aave. So there are lots of ERC20 token, and you will learn how to create your own. Now you will learn is like how to use Open Zeppelin library. So Open Zeppelin is like a smart contract template which helps you to write smart contracts very easily. Like you can just use a template. Like for us, we are using the ERC20 template, so we will just import the template and make changes and pass some parameter. That's it. It's like 5 to 6 lines, and we have our ERC20 token. It makes the process that easy. You don't have to write every line from scratch. Next is like how to use a QuickNode provider like QuickNode to create your dApp. So I can't put emphasis on how important it is, because QuickNode is like a blessing to you. Like basically, in the earlier days, you had to run your own local node, which is a pretty difficult task. Like it's pretty difficult to for a non-developer to run a local node. It was that difficult, and QuickNode makes it very easy. Like you just need to click and play. It's like a plug and play for node, and it will help you to create a environment like very easily. You just need like 4 to 5 minutes. That's it. It's as easy as it sounds like. So the next thing you will learn is like how to deploy on Ethereum Testnet. So of course we will be using Ethereum Testnet to deploy our token first. So you will learn how to do it, and of course we will create the Ethereum Testnet environment using the QuickNode. Let's come to the prerequisites now. First, you will need the Remix ID. So the Remix ID is like a online ID. You don't need to download anything. You can just you will find the link to Remix ID in the coding lesson of this course. It's like plug and play. You don't need to download anything or install anything. Now of course we will need Open Zeppelin. For this you will find how to import it in the coding lesson itself. For the MetaMask part, you need MetaMask to interact with the QuickNode endpoint. If you don't have MetaMask, I will recommend you to go to our course about understanding and setting up MetaMask, complete it, and then come back to this course, because MetaMask is very important for this course. Next you will need is a QuickNode account. Of course, I've just created a GIF walkthrough for you, like how you could do this by yourself. So just follow it thoroughly, and create your own QuickNode account. It's very important that you need to have your own QuickNode account, right? So just click here, and it will take you to the QuickNode link, and you could create your own QuickNode account by just following this walkthrough. And of course you will need some faucet tokens, faucet ether, because you need to pay for the transaction fees, right, on the testnet. So you will get it for free. I have shown like how to do this in the next lesson, so we will come back to that. So that's it in this lesson, and in the next lesson we will learn how to set up the environment, like how to create the endpoint of QuickNode, how to get the fauceted, how to set the endpoint with the MetaMask account. So yeah, I think you all are excited. So let's keep the excitement high and let's go. We are in the third lesson of this course, and I think you all are excited because this is a very important part, that you set up your environment before you get started with the coding part. So I'll quickly show you. Like first we will create an endpoint on QuickNode, and it will be the Goerli testnet. Then we will set up the endpoint with the MetaMask, and of course we'll get some testnet ETH to pay for the transaction fees. So let's get started. First let's come to creating the QuickNode endpoint. So first go to this link, then sign up or sign in with your account. I think you have created your QuickNode account in the last lesson, so just sign in with it. Then click on dashboard. So here we have a dashboard. Now click on create an endpoint. So we will be creating on Ethereum. So first select the chain as Ethereum. Now select the network as Goerli. Now click on continue. So here they are showing so many add-ons, so you don't need to have any add-on. Just click on create endpoint, and let me tell you, you don't have to pay for anything. You can just create an endpoint for free. So let's wait for some seconds. So here we go, we have created our endpoint. Now let's go back to the course and follow along with the course. So we have created the endpoint. Now we need to set it up with the MetaMask, and I guess you have your, or you guys have your MetaMask set up, like you are ready with your MetaMask. So let's go back here, click on your MetaMask extension, just sign in with your password, whatever password you have. So it will take some time. Let me. It's taking a bit longer than I thought. Now click here on the top. You will find a list of the networks you already have. So now click on add network. So it will take you to a page. So just in the bottom you will find add a network manually. So just click here. For the network name, I'll just go for Goerli. You can go for any name. It's like just a string. You can go for any name. For the new RPC URL, copy the HTTP provider URL. So just copy it from here and paste it right here. Now for the chain ID, go back to the course and scroll a bit down. So you will find that what you need to input for every field. For the chain ID, we have to input 5. So just copy and paste it here. Now for the currency symbol, we need to enter ETH. So copy and paste it here. For the block explorer URL, you need to copy this and paste it here. Make sure you write the chain ID as like correctly, because it's unique to every chain, and the current symbol. So make sure you copy everything and paste it, so it would be like you can make sure you are doing it correctly, right? So after you have perfectly set up everything, just click on save. So you can see we have our like testnet account set up with the MetaMask. It's ready to use. Now let's go back to the course and let's get some Goerli ETH. For that you need to go to the faucet. So it will just take some time to check if your connection is secure or not. So yeah, we need to sign in or sign up with your Alchemy account, because you will be using Alchemy's Goerli faucet to get your Goerli ETH. Now go back and click on your MetaMask wallet and check if the network is correct. It should be ETH Goerli. Now copy the account like the wallet address, paste it here and click on send me ETH. So you need to wait for some time because it will confirm the transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, you will have your ETH on your wallet, and that's it in this lesson. So I think we are done with this lesson. The next lesson will be very exciting because we will be actually coding our ERC20 token. So just hold your seats tight, because in the next 10 to 15 minutes you will have your own ERC20 token. So we are in the 4th lesson of this course. This is like the core of this course, because here we will be coding our own ERC20 token, and I think most of you are excited till this stage, because here you will be writing your own ERC20 token in just 5 to 6 lines, because we will be using Open Zeppelin library and we will be using Remix IDE to compile and deploy it. So let's get started. First you need to go to the Remix IDE. For that, just let's open the Remix IDE. So like I said, you will find the link to Remix IDE in the coding lesson itself. So yeah, this is the coding lesson. So we are in the Remix IDE. So first you need to create a file. So to create a file, you will find this button. It's right under the workspace name. So just click here, and here I'll just write my token .sol. This would be the name of my token. So make sure you write .sol, the format of the format of Solidity is SOL. So make sure you write .sol. It's very important after your smart contract name. So just press enter, and you have created your Solidity smart contract. Now just let's write the code. So you will find the code right here. So in this lesson, I'll spend the time to explain you the code line by line. It would be better I'll just copy the code and paste it here, and I'll spend the time to explain you the code. So first you need to write the license identifier, because it's very important. If you don't write this, you will find like a warning. It's not it's optional. It's kind of optional. You can skip it, and but you will get a warning if you don't write it. And it is important because all open source softwares has like a Creative Common license. So it's like a Creative Common license, to be simple, like to if I make it simple. The next line is pragma solidity. So it's like it's this line states the compiler that which version of the compiler to use, like the range. So currently we have a range of 0.7.0 to less than 0.9.0. So if I go here, you can see it automatically selected the compiler as 0.8.7. So it's in the range between these two numbers, right? So this line is important to set to like control the version which the compiler should use. Now we are importing the Open Zeppelin Solidity ERC20.sol. So this line will import the ERC20.sol from the Open Zeppelin library, right? So the next line is like you are inheriting. This is the inheritance line. So contract my token. My token is the name of my file. My token.sol is importing is like inheriting the attributes, the functions and objects of ERC20.sol. So it's like the object oriented programming approach where we inherit the functions, right? In the next part, we are passing two parameters. The first parameter is mango coin. It's a string. And the second parameter is mango. So why we are passing this? Let's go to the ERC20.sol. Scroll down. So here you can check the constructor is taking two parameters. First is string name and second is string symbol. So when we pass mango coin and mango, this will be assigned to the first mango coin will be assigned as the name of the token, and the second will be assigned as the symbol of the token. That's it. The next line is to mint, because when you're creating a token you need to mint some of the token into circulation, right? So the mint function will do that. So the first parameter would be the wallet address. Here message.sender is the wallet address of the one who is deploying the contract. So we will be deploying the contract, so message.sender would be our wallet address. Now I want to mint 1 million, so it would be like 1 million multiplied by 10 to the power decimal. For the decimal part, you don't need to know what is the decimal. You can directly use the decimals function and it will return the whatever decimal this ERC20 Sol is using. And that's it with the coding part. Isn't that easy? Like you can just write 5 to 6 lines and you're done with the coding part. So let's go back to the course, and I think you all have a name for your token. So let's compile and deploy it in the next lesson. So we are in the last lesson of our course, and this would be really exciting because in the next 5 minutes you will have your own ERC20 like ERC token, right? So let's keep the excitement and let's do it. Come on. So first we need to go back to Remix IDE, right? We are done with the coding part in the last lesson. Now we need to compile it. For that you need to click here. So here you can just like it will automatically select the compiler for you, and you need to click on compile your smart contract. So just click on for me it's my token.sol, whatever it is for you, just click on compile and it will automatically compile. So yeah, you will get a green tick which signifies that we are done with the coding part. It's correct, and our smart contract compiled successfully. So yeah, let's go back to the token, like our course, and so we are done with the compilation part. Now let's deploy it. For that you need to click here. So you need to click here and select. It would be Remix VM at first. So make sure you select injected provider MetaMask. When you select injected provider MetaMask, it will automatically detect the chain ID. So just double check the chain ID. Our chain ID was 5. So it was Goerli testnet, so it has detected that. and our account, it has already detected our account. If you have multiple account, make sure you select the account which in which you receive the faucet it, right? So it shows my balance, the ether balance I have in my account. Now you don't need to change the gas limit, make like keep it like whatever the default is. You don't need to change the value to. Now next you need to select the smart contract you are going to deploy, right? Make sure you select whatever the smart ERC20 smart contract you have coded. Don't deploy ERC20 which you have imported from the Open Zeppelin. This is not what you have to deploy. You need to deploy your ERC20 smart contract. So for me it's my token.sol. I will select it. So yeah, done with this part, the setting up. Now I'll click on deploy. So it's showing the creation of my token pending. Next we need to confirm the transaction and pay for the transaction fees. So let's do it. Let's click on confirm. Now you need to wait for some time because it will take some time for Ethereum Testnet to confirm the transaction. So yeah, we got a notification. That means that our transaction is confirmed and our token is created. If you have got a confirmed transaction message, congratulations, because you have your own ERC20 token on the Ethereum Testnet. So let's check if we have done it correctly or not, right? For that, let's go back to the course, scroll down a bit. You will find the link to Goerli Testnet Explorer. Just go here. Now copy the smart contract address like whatever the smart contract address of your ERC20 token. For that, click copy under deployed contracts. Here you will find the contract address of your deployed token. Just click on copy. Make sure you copy the contract address and paste it here. So I'll just click on search, and that's it. It shows mango token and my symbol is mango. So I have created my my own token, and I guess you all have created your own token and it's showing correctly. Congratulations for that. Let's check if we have received our 1 million token. For me it's mango, right? So I'll just go back to my MetaMask wallet, go to assets, and I'll import the token. Here you need to paste the smart contract address and you need to wait for some time. It will automatically import the token symbol and the token decimal. So it's perfect. Now let's click on add custom token. So here you can see I have received my 1 million token, and you guys might have received yours. So congratulations, you have your own token, like 1 million mango token or 1 million of your ERC20 token in the supply. So just click import and that's it. Now let's go back to the course, and so here we have completed the course. We have imported our token. We have checked if we have received the balance. So I think this was an amazing course because here it will add a great value to your Web3 portfolio. And we also have a lot of ERC20 like a lot of token courses on different platforms. Make sure you check that. Until then, goodbye.